Hello. Okay, so I don't know what it's happening because on my end it's not showing anything on video, but then on the VOD it does show video. So I'm just gonna go with it, I guess. Hopefully it actually works. Also, for some reason, I'm pretty sure Restream chat doesn't even work. But we'll see. Alright. So, after yesterday, I took a look and I think I understand what the issue was with the Doughnut. And I believe what it was is when I did a Shift D for duplicate, I think I might have had one that was still there, and I think that might have been what was clipping. So I think we'll start out with a fresh one today and see if that solves our problem. So first off, let's open a new project. And let's swap to scene. There we go. So, wait, what? Okay, I don't know what that. Oh, that was from a different thing. That's right. Still new to OBS, but let's see. So we do this again. There we go. Looks good. Then we go to modifier, and we want a subdivide. Yeah, I think just that one. And then is when we do where is it? God, I'm not still having the same issues. I really should have what's it called? The list of keybinds. Where did I have? So I know had to have been a scroll wheel somewhere with that. Oh right, the whole thing has to be scaled first. Anyway, not J. Control J. Okay, yeah, I'll just do it like that. So that we want to scale to that, I think. There should be. Oh, hold on. Did I? There it is. There it is. Okay. Thought I had it open. Guess not. Right. Oh yeah, and so the other thing is Add workspace. And this is just gonna be here for reference. So okay. Alright, well that's not that's not what I intended to do. Oh, here we go. New. Okay, well that's not it either. I'm just gonna pop a reference image. I forget that combined. Oh yeah, I should probably see how the fan is sounding. Just because I'm not too sure. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay, so it doesn't sound that bad. Don't know if I communicated it at all, but living on a college campus right now, so no AC. He's got a fan to cool off. So just seeing if that picks up too badly. Okay. So back to this. Oh, no, we still need a reference image. I actually wonder if I have any like photos I've taken. Because I was gonna look at a reference image, but I want to see if by any chance I had one on my Google Drive. Okay. There's some here. But actually maybe this one. I don't know though. It's not really a Doughnut, yeah. But yeah, we can just throw this up as a stream element then. So let's do properties. Okay. Then where do we throw this? Down here, I think. Alright, that's good. So, I'm gonna do a bit unique, you know, from what they have, I think. I'm gonna try for that. I'm not sure I remember where... Oh, you know, Google is gonna tell me exactly, so let's see what it says for this one. Oh wow, this is 2016. And that's a old Doughnut. Yeah, and then there's the other Doughnut they gave is actually a bagel being used for a burger. Alright. Let's continue. No, I just closed it, come on. I can't see it too well on my thing, it shows up well on stream, but that doesn't really appear for me that way. So let's try here. I'm gonna probably forgo the powder part of it. I also don't know how we're gonna do these like little folds or whatever with it, but we might just do with more like a normal looking Doughnut. this little bulb here. A little bit higher. Okay. Yeah, because it's kind of like coffee cake shaped, so I don't know about really using this. But give it a go, see how it turns out. It's another one about theirs. A little bit there. I think that might just be frosting. Do something like that. Something here. Do one here. About there. About there. About there. And then just kind of just mess up this middle part here so that it's not perfectly round. Just a little bit. Just enough that it looks normal. I probably should do some smaller width changes here to really accomplish that. It's gonna be a bit funky when we get to like the middle line though, because it does not appear that this donut was made the same way. It's a little bit too perfect. Round. It's got a lumpy donut. Maybe a bit too lumpy in some spots. Something like that, maybe. It's looking good. Yeah, I think that looks good. And then, once again, oh, I'm doing too big of things again. But just some small changes. Break up a little. Music's definitely a lot better from before, because I'd gone for a jazz, because that's usually one that I go for, but some of the jazz here is just a little bit more of lo-fi. So then we go to wireframe and we do Shift-D, right click. We're gonna separate. That's the only one we're gonna do. We're not gonna do 3 or 4 different ones that create problems later. Very good. So with that done, we go to icing. Let's make sure we have it selected. Go to properties, and then we will add our solidify. Offset of 1, thickness of 0.5. There's no way it's supposed to be that much, really. I remember it being fine before. It's weird. Although I might actually go with this one, to be honest. About that much thickness. I think it works. So then we put that before. Then we want to do a face, project, go back into edit mode, and how do we position this? It's right here. So we'll have a glob down here. Oh. Let's just scale that a little bit. And then just move it a little bit. Oh yeah, so here we'll do a little extrusion. Looks alright. Then about here we have another extrusion. We'll do 2. And that should be good. Pinch it a little bit. About there. Looks good. Bit hard to tell on like the right side here. Can't tell how far down that goes. So we'll jump over here then, and it looks like it's overflowing there. So give it a little bit, and then we'll do a nice globular amount. And just like that. Say like that. I think what's supposed to happen as well is we do. Wait, why can't we apply this? Okay, not in edit mode. Okay, there we go. We apply there. And then what we do is we'll add another subdivide. Actually, I wonder if we were supposed to do the wrap first. And take a quick look and see. Oh, I think so. It's applied, and then it gives that. Oh wait. Oh, okay. So the point of another subdivide is that it's going to make it basically look smoother while we work on it. Okay, gotcha. Okay, that will make a little drop there. so then we do rest the frosting first, and then we do the other wrap. Actually, you might as well try to add it to the actual thing. Let's see. Just had it there. Okay, yeah, so split, and then here, image editor, open, let's see. Just trying to find it because it's doing the annoying thing with all the file names instead. Oh. Alright, let's see. Okay, so now we can disable the reference and see what I'm actually looking at. Alright, that's a bit better. Alright, yeah, so it looks like we got one that should be a bit shorter, I think. Or hold on, yeah, let's try to maybe about there. And then we can say for here, make it a little bit more from like off this one. That was probably a bit too far out. I think that's a mistake. Try not to make it look like it's just perfectly spaced out between each one. I think that's fine. Oops. I mean, let's see. Could I even like revert this maybe? I don't know. Thoughts? What if we do? What if we delete the vertices here? That fixes it. Okay. So yeah, I would do a little bit closer. Even, yeah, maybe like just this much. And then do a nice long one right there. And then we grab this. Grab. Okay, hold on. Yeah, it should be grabbing. Okay. All right. So we got that. We go 3 there. Little dip. Maybe like 2 here, and then a larger dip. And then another, and then 3, and then we'll do a dip like that. I think that's another strand there. So that would be maybe like this. So we do that. That looks like another long one. This, scale it out a little bit. Oh. Okay, that does not look good. Alright, yeah, I'll just go back to what it was before, I guess. Oh. And then, can we do make something like this then? Oh, on. So that's there, and then for here, do another 2, and then grab like that, and then so that's that, and then this one, it's like a lot thicker of one, so for that we'll do like that, and then for the rest of it we'll kind of do some guesswork because we can't see the back of it. I also might have some artistic license with the middle part, because I don't know how I feel about that icing on the mid. But let's see, so we'll say this one goes 5. Let's say this one goes 5 before its next one. But then we'll have it be a nice gradual one. And then after 3, it does a little sharp one. But that's the same as that one, so we'll do a nice drip. And maybe even a little bit more. For scale. Alright. Then it goes 2 for another low dip. Then goes 4. A nice big one, you even pause that a little bit. Oh, no. Small dip. Go strand. And then we'll do a big dip. Low drop. But that doesn't look too good, so we'll just undo that. Instead, Yeah, I think that looks good. I forget if... I don't think he has anything for the middle. But, let's see. So first we do Doughnut select, edit mode, and then we want to scale this ever so slightly in. Then we go to our icing. Let me just check with odd. Okay, yeah. Good. So we want to find shrink wrap onto the donut. Then we put that above. And that's a lot better than it was with yesterday's. So that's good. Okay. Icing's not the best, but I don't know. Let's see. I probably should find a better reference next time because I end up not necessarily using all this because it's like coffee cake-esque. But let's see. Actually, let me pull up the folder again and see if I can't salvage this. But oh yeah, no. So the only donut thing there was a maple and Boston creams, but they were all inside the box still, so you can actually see the sides. So we'll stick with this. I think it's good enough. Let's actually see what. Oh wait, it is an object mode, so that is what it's gonna look like. But yeah, a lot better progress than yesterday. Alright, so let me take a look at the next part. Oh yeah, so the sculpting. Okay, so that's gonna be for the strands of it. And then, okay, and then a little bit on the inside. I actually was wondering today if I should have the tutorials I'm watching like have its own stream element with like a low screen in the corner. Let's see. Okay. So go to sculpt, and yeah, so the point in this is to make it a bit more bulbous with the icing. Although, yeah, it doesn't seem to be working the same. Yeah, no, I didn't quite get to finish through some of the tutorials, so I feel like I probably shouldn't be doing that on stream. But just trying to see if I can do some sculpting work here. Okay, yeah, not seeing it. So I'll have to check with that tutorial later, but I think this is a pretty good amount of progress here. So save this as, let's see, what is this? Doughnut to Boogaloo. Okay. So let's see about starting a well, not different, but I mean it is different. Let's see. We'll just refer back to this. So another thing I'd like to do. Oh, it is right here. So for the stream background, I have an idea, but I'm not too sure. See if I can find the picture again. Oh, on. Oh yeah, right. I think it's in downloads. Where is it? That'd be something. Do like do 3D sad Goodman. Okay, so I can't see it there. I don't think I have it here. Let me see. Because basically what it is there's a one of those AI generated image sites. It ended up coming up with something pretty cool, and I don't know. Yeah, hold on, we'll save that for the character one, but you'll have to wait till then for that. But in other thoughts and news, okay. This was actually like one of my inspirations to do this was Adam Bayard. Let me just pull it up. Yeah, so Adam Bayard, he did a 100-hour Blender challenge, and so for his thing, it culminated in this this really cool scene that he was able to play on loop. And so I was thinking something of this nature, that basically I would be able to have on for the background instead of it just being like black bars or whatever. And like when I do like a BRB screen. So that's for stream background. That's that idea, but it's gonna take quite a lot more. So it's definitely a project for another time. But I think, I don't know, because I also don't know what I'd be having for it. Because like I said, the one I was just thinking of, I think that'd be better when I do like the avatar project. What can we do? Suppose we could... Yeah, I think we can try the lightsaber one, actually. I don't think it's too hard with that. If I can pull up the image. Yeah, hold on. So for that, I should probably actually pull it up first before I start to say things that require looking at it. Okay, see if this is able to find it. There's stuff from the move. This other stuff. This other stuff. Surely it has to be saved here. I actually use that. Okay. So it's 2020 summer. So might have been May. Oh yeah, here it is. Might have to search for a day here. So May 25th. I was supposed to Reddit, so I can check that if not. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look at my Reddit then. Because I did have a project I had been working on for making a lightsaber. Oh. A little bit before that. Okay, here we go. All right. So this is the idea of it. And if we go here, so I went through a process with it of getting the parts, cleaning, and coming up with that sketch. And then preparing for the paint. And then this of course, it's not quite the paint I was going for after. It's pretty good. Let's see. I don't think I ever did an update. Okay. Yep. Alright, so basically then what I need is that end cap. So this part here, I wasn't actually able to get done for it. Or get done for it. I wasn't actually able to find a part that really fit too well. Although I do have a couple others I'll be trying, but I think probably instead if we do So one of these I was looking to have kind of like in the same style as with like Luke or Obi-Wan's lightsaber. So I think we could try 3D modeling this and like the inside part. Although I think I might just get okay, yeah, so I might get that then. But basically, like for the inside part with like the batteries, I'd like to try and design. No, I think we might as well like 3D design it so we can get an idea for the model. So if we go, one sec. Why is it not? Why is it done such a bad way? Oh, hold on. Let's see. Okay, yeah. I actually love how it automatically saves images as WebBP or WebP. Alright, so with that, we want to, I think we can do from here, yeah, add a reference image. So we do downloads, we do, hey, where did it save? Yeah, no, it saved downloads. Okay. I guess I can just drag it in. It works. Okay. So, let's try. Oh yeah, first before we start. So these are a meter. Oh, whoops. Probably shouldn't try to read off that. Let's see. Does it say? This is definitely not a meter long. It's probably like half a meter. And each of these boxes is 1 meter. So let's try something, or yeah, I think each of those boxes is a meter. So we'll do something like this. At least half a meter. A little bit more. That should be good. So we'll copy that. We'll go here. Actually, hold on. Let's grab there. Rotate it. $90. Okay. So this rotate 90, 270. Pull it up. This one will also rotate. Oh, that's not what I want. 90. Alright. Oh, I don't know if... This would just do it like that. It's probably better. Come on. Right. Actually, I think it's probably better to do it this way. So if we copy that, then we rotate that. Oh, oops. All right, that should be good. So first we add our cube. Switch to edit mode, edge select along the thanks. Oh. Okay, we do a face select. Fine. Along Z to there. Face select. Along X there. And we switch here. And then we'll just move the whole thing there. Grab that face. And then along the X, or along the Y. Bring it to that. Nice. And then the next part of that is to add a cylinder. Do a scale down. So switch box ref 1 ref 2. Wait. This is the switch box. And this one is it's going to be the battery. Let's just call it the housing, because it will be the battery and the electronics inside. All right. So object mode, grab, edit mode. And then we'll drag over here. Let's make sure. Okay. Although I guess, so the thing with this is, I think we're going to have the switch box attached to the inside housing. The inside house is going to go in, and like there's going to be a little cut in the pipe for where the, what's it called, is, where the switch box is. But I guess we can, for now, we can set it to be the length that we need along the Z. Oh. Probably have it like this much. And then we want to do it hollow inside, which I think we'll figure out for next time. I'm not too sure about how you're meant to make things hollow in this software. Alright. Oh, we have it shaped out for this part. And if we pull out our thing, I'll say, I don't know, you're gonna have something else for this, I think. So, just so we'll have, let's do an orange. Just specify what we're doing for them. And then immediately delete them, yeah. There we go. And then just to clarify with some of these other ones, slice into pieces. We don't know yet with the stream background. Tentacles is straightforward. We'll say with that one, hair, goggles, crown. Those are the three with that need fixing. But yeah, it's another nice and semi-productive stream. Might try for, I don't know, I feel like this is pretty manageable, having like an hour each day, sit down, do some Blender. But yeah, hope you enjoy watching. Thanks for tuning in, or watching the video most likely. But yeah.